Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Supertech So. In my channel, you will be learning some new skills from Malay language and English language. Without wasting much time, let's go! Hi everyone, it's Mr. Saw here. So today we are going to continue for this episode collective nouns. So in the first episode, we learned about collective nouns for, yes, animals. The second episode, collective nouns for people. And today, the third episode, we will be learning about collective nouns for things. Yes, very good. So again, let's look at the example here. Let's recall what a collective noun is. So I put many photographs in my album, in an album. So I can call it as an album of photographs. An album of photographs. The word album here is a collective noun. Is a collective noun for things. So do you understand? Collective nouns, okay? So sometimes the same collective noun can be used for people, can be used for animal, as well as things, okay? So this is Mr. Saw's photo album. So if you want to see, please come over to my house. So again, we are going to recall what is a collective noun. A collective noun is the word used to represent a group. Yes. So actually we can use the word group, okay, to describe every group of things, every group of animals, or every group of people. But so every group of these things, animals as well as people, they have a specific name. Alright? So a collective noun is a word used to represent a group of people, animals, or things. For example, the first one. So can you tell me what is the most suitable collective nouns to describe the first picture, the first thing? Yes. Okay, we have so many flowers here. We have so many roses here. So what is the most suitable collective nouns to describe the roses? Yes, a bouquet of roses. A bouquet of flowers. Yes, both are correct. What about the second one? Bananas. Yes, we can say a comb of bananas, a hand of bananas, or a bunch of bananas, right? So let's get the third one. There are so many ships over there. So we can say there is a fleet of ships. There is a fleet of ships sailing across the ocean, right? So number 4, again, the same way of arrangement. So here we say a fleet of ships. Here we will say a fleet of cars. A fleet of cars. Okay, so the fifth picture here, so I want to draw your attention to the sunlight. So did you sing the song? Though a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. So ray, it refers to the line of sunlight, a ray of sunlight. So ray refers to the sunlight here. So, okay, you can say a ray of sunlight. Alright? So there are so many. Okay. So next, okay, we will say a clump of trees. Okay. Now they are arranged nicely. Okay, in a big group. So here we can say a clump of trees. So if the trees are planted all around, okay, all around, so you can use another collective noun that is a cluster of trees. Okay, for example, in a forest, the trees are planted everywhere, okay, or the trees grow everywhere. So you can say, okay, I can see a cluster of trees in a jungle. Okay, so can you understand that? So this is just a warming up for you. So let's get here. Today Mr. Saw is going to introduce 15 collective nouns to you again. Okay, we have learned 15 collective nouns for people and 15 collective nouns for animals. So today Mr. Saw is going to guide you to learn another 15 collective nouns for things. Okay, let's get the first one. Okay, there are so many stamps. Okay, do you have this kind of pastime? You like collecting stamps? How many of you like collecting stamps? You may tell me. Okay, at the comment down there. Okay, the second one again. Okay, the photo album. So we can say this as an album of stamps. An album of stamps. Okay, pay attention to the plural nouns here. So we have many stamps in the album. So we'll say an album of stamps. Okay, the second one, an album of photographs. An album of photographs. Okay, so done. Number two, collective nouns for things. Number two, chocolate and soap. So they share the same collective noun, right? So we say a bar of chocolate, a bar of chocolate. What about this one? Yes, a bar of soap, a bar of soap. All right. So actually they have the same look, right? Just now the chocolate and the soap. Number three, let's get here. Stars as well as diamond. Yes, actually we the miners they will mine the diamond from underground, right? So yes, we can say a cluster of stars or a galaxy of stars. Okay, so remember that I see a cluster of stars in the sky. And number two, a cluster of diamonds. A cluster of diamonds. Actually, we'll mine for diamonds from underground. Okay, like the other minerals. Okay, we can get gold, we can get silver, we can get a lot of these copper and so on from underground, right? Okay, number four. Okay, now the two pictures here they look same. Okay, almost the same, but the height of the slope is different. Number one, okay, the one which is not so steep, okay, we can name it as hill, while the one on the right they are very tall hills, so we can say, okay, they are mountains. Okay, so but they can use the same collective noun, right? A range of hills and a range of mountains. A range of hills and a range of mountains. Okay, let's get number five. Bananas, keys, grapes, and balloons. Okay, these four things, they share the same collective nouns. Okay, let's look at it. Number one, a bunch of bananas, a bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes, and a bunch of balloons. Yes, I think everybody likes balloons. Okay, number six. Okay, the old clothes or rags. Okay, sticks as well as hay, the dried weeds or the dried grass. Okay, we name it as hay, Hay, hay. So they share the same collective noun. So number one, a bundle of sticks, a bundle of rags, and a bundle of hay. Okay, can you remember them? Okay, number seven, stones, sand, and rubbish. So they share the same collective noun again. So a heap of stones, a heap of sand, and a heap of rubbish. They are stacked up, okay, like a hill. So we can name it as a heap of stones, a heap of sand, as well as a heap of rubbish. Now, some of you will ask me, teacher, can I say a hill of rubbish? Yes, can. Or can I say a stack of? Yes, but you have to look at the picture, right? Okay, number eight. Okay, we have a chest, a big chest here, and the chest has so many drawers, so we can say a chest of drawers. And this one, a chest of gold. Okay, a chest of gold. So if you can find a chest of gold, okay, somewhere, and you become rich, right? So number nine, we have ships again, we have cars again, we have boats again. Yes, these are boats. Okay, these are ships. Okay, next, the last one, these are buses. So they use the same collective noun. So a fleet of ships, a fleet of cars, a fleet of boats, and a fleet of buses. Okay, so let's get number 10. Okay, when
this plowing machine is moving, so you can see a lot of dirt flying up. Okay, so how to describe the dirt? And this one, the smoke. Okay, when you're burning something, you can see smoke, right? Smoke coming out. The smoke is billowing. All right, so a cloud of dust, or you can also say a cloud of dirt. Okay, a cloud of smoke. Okay. Okay, number 11, we have trees here as well as, what do you call this? Yes, bushes. So both of them, they share the same collective noun, a clump of trees and a clump of bushes. Okay, some of you will say, teacher, can I say a hedge? Hedge. Yes, you can also say a hedge of bushes. Correct. Number 12. Okay, we have Uno cards as well as we have milk. Okay, we can say it as a pack of cards and a pack of milk. At the same time, you can also say a carton of milk. Okay, so now pack usually you can refer to the container or the thing that is packed using the paper container. Okay, the paper what do you call it? The paper form of container to pack the thing. So you can say a pack of cards and a pack of milk. Okay, but if you want to say a carton of milk, it's okay, right? Number 13. Okay, we look at things. Okay, for food. Okay, now these two, they are in the same shape, right? So I can say a slice of pizza, a slice of pizza. Okay, this one, a slice of cake. And the last one, a slice of bread, a slice of bread. Okay, so when you have sliced them out, and then only you can say a slice of pizza. But when you see, okay, the pizza, the whole pizza in round, so you cannot say a slice of pizza. Okay, you will say a pizza. Remember that, right? Okay, number 14. Yes, the men are wearing new suit, right? They are wearing new clothes. So you can say a suit of clothes or an outfit of clothes. A suit of clothes or an outfit of clothes. And the last one, okay, so you can see new furniture at the new house. So this word is not read as suit, but it is sweet, like you pronounce the word SWEET, a suite of furniture, a suite of furniture. Okay, remember that. So class, we have learned 15 collective nouns for things today. So I hope you can remember all the collective nouns that Mr. Saw had taught you before as well as today's. So if you have any questions to ask Mr. Saw, please write it in the comment there so that Mr. Saw can respond to you promptly. So that's all from Mr. Saw today. Bye.
If you like my channel after watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. That's all for today. Bye.